Assalamu alaikum minasan. Welcome back to my new video. This is lesson 12 of Minano Nihongo vocabulary series. If you are really interested in Japanese, then watch till the end. So without wasting any time, sore deva hajime masho. Suteki. Steki. It means lovely, wonderful, nice, fantastic, charming. It depends on the context. इसका मतलब है ज़बरदस्त, शानदार, खूबसूरत या दिलकश. So this word is na adjective. That's why I added na at the end. So na adjectives are adjectives that needs na when used before a noun. But when they are used alone without a noun, you don't need na. For example, genki desu. Shizuka. Shizuka. It means quiet, calm, peaceful, पुरसकून, खामोश या पुरअमन. शिनसेत्सु. शिनसेत्सु. It means kind, gentle, helpful, मेहरबान, शफीक, मददगार. युमे. It means famous, well known, मशहूर या मारूफ. कीरे. It means pretty, beautiful, clean, neat, खूबसूरत, साफ सुथरा. Hansamu. It means handsome, खूबसूरत. Nigiyaka. It means lively, bustling, cheerful, used for places or sometimes events. Puronak, hangama khez, chahal pahal wala. Genki. It means healthy, energetic, cheerful, well. Tandurust, chaku chomban, khushbash. Hima. It means free, not busy, farigh. Benri. It means convenient, useful, आसान, सहूलत बख्श, फ़ायदामंद. Oki. It means big, large, बड़ा या वसी. Chisai. It means small, little, छोटा या छोटा सा. Atarashi. It means new, naya. Furui. It means old, purana. Yoi. Meaning good, अच्छा या बेहतर. Warui. It means bad, बुरा, खराब. Atsui. It means hot, garm. Samui. It means cold, sard. Sumetai. It means cold. It is used for objects or things like a cold drink or cold surface. ठंडा या सर्द. ये इस्तेमाल होता है ऑब्जेक्ट्स, चीज़ों के लिए, जैसे कि कोल्ड ड्रिंक या फिर कोल्ड सरफेस. Muzukashi. It means hard or difficult, मुश्किल. Yasashi. It means easy, आसान. Takai. It means high, tall, expensive, ऊंचा या महंगा. Yasui. It means cheap, inexpensive, सस्ता. Hikui. It means low or short, नीचा या छोटा. Omoshiroi. It means interesting, fun or amusing, दिलचस्प, मज़ेदार. I hope you have gained knowledge from this video. If you have any question, then comment down below. I will answer it. Till then, matane.